Okay, guys, we're going to look at the 3 questions of finding surface area of 3D solids. So the first 2 questions is net diagram for 3D solid. You have to find the surface area. Surface area is every faces that you can touch. So we're going to find all of them. Okay. In this example G, if we can visualize it, the 3D solid from this net diagram is a semicircle. It probably look like this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's try to work out the surface area. Now, hopefully you recognize these are 2 pieces of semicircle which you can merge together, become one. So we are going to total surface area. Total surface area will be a circle plus a rectangle. You see there's a rectangle here. This one. I'm going to work out this. This is a rectangle. Yeah. Okay. Now for those 2 pieces of semicircle, we don't have much issue. It's simply circle, so it's pi. Radius is 0.8. So we have no issue with that. But the semicircle, also the rectangle, it's a bit tricky. You have to recognize this part is it's very thick. This part, the length here is actually matched with the circle, the length of arc of semicircle. While here, let me screen. Here matches this. So this is how we find the total length of the rectangle. Okay, to explain, so the red one will be 2 pi r for the full circle, but it's only half, so I divided by 2. So the red color length, or the length of the semicircle, length of our semicircle is actually pi times radius. Okay, or the green part here is, as I say, it's measured the diameter here, which is 1.8. So now make sense? Okay, so pi times radius 0.9. I need to remind you, radius 0.9. Write it out first. Square plus the length will be I can write the v first. 3.6 multiply the length 1.8 plus pi times radius, as we discussed, pi times radius. So we are done. So type in the calculator, you should get the total result 19.20 unit square meter. All right. You may pause the video. Okay, you may pause the video for the next question, or you try working out. And when you're ready to read the answer, then you play the video. Okay. All right. Now the next questions, you can see it's a triangular prism if you visualize in 3D. They give you hints. Find a K by Pythagoras theorem. Wow, it's a hint. So we need to find a height. There's a 90 degree here. Yes, we have to find using Pythagoras to work out a K. Okay, let's work it out. Hopefully you still remember Pythagoras theorem is 8.5 square plus 8.5 square, and bang, from the calculator, keep more decimal places, 12. What do I get in the calculator again? 12.02. I keep it for 02. Okay, again, we can also simplify the issue by treat this like a big rectangle. See, this is a big rectangle and 2 pieces of triangle. So total surface area of this shape will be 2 pieces of triangle plus 1 long piece of rectangle. You can do that. Or you want to work out piece by piece, it's fine too. So the triangle is 2 pieces times formula is half times height times base. Here height and base. Bear in mind, height and base have to form 90 degrees. So it's 8.5 times 8.5. Now the rectangle, the width is over here, 20.82. Now the length will be 2 pieces of 8.5, 8.5 over here, 8.5, 8.5. I like times 2, so I don't write it plus, and plus the K 12.02. Yep. Again, bang, type in the calculator, it should give you 676.5 centimeter. Oh, sorry, meter is a meter. Meter square. Okay, good. Again, you may pause the video to read carefully all the writing. Yep. And you can move on to the next question. when you're ready. Okay, next one, I give you a 3D shape here. Okay, again, you try first. When you're ready, you can play the video to see the solution. So, yep, let's analyze this surface area. Wow, it's a solid, guys. So surface area, total surface area, including, look, there are 2 pieces of this. Okay, let's draw the shapes out. It looks like this one. Times 2 pieces, analyze it, yeah? And it's one curved surface, curve here. It looks like this, like a trough. Okay, here. And 2 pieces of rectangle. Many of my students, they like to break into pieces. Even though I have another shortcut, but we can also do this method. Okay, let's work out these 2 pieces. Now you're very quick, right? So this is the 3/4, 2 pieces. I like to put the 2 pieces in front, and each piece is actually 3/4 of one area of circle, which is pi r square. The radius is 1. I can mark it here. So to remind everybody, the radius is 1. Yeah, 3/4. Okay, now the 3/4. That's not a good diagram, huh? Beautified it. Okay, 3/4. This should look like more curve here. Okay, so the center is over here, 1 meter. Now, what is the length of arc? Guys, bear in mind, if you open up, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. So what is the length of arc here? That is the, I think, most challenging for this question. It is 3/4 times the full length. Imagine it's a full circle, which is 2 pi r, the length of arc, and this one is only 3/4 of it. See that? So it's not full length, but 3/4 of the full length. The second from which the formula is 2 pi r, radius is 1. And then multiply the length, which is 4 meter here, 4 meter over here. Okay, got it? 1 piece? Yes. And next we have 2 pieces of rectangle, which means here I can color it here, this part, left and right, 2 pieces. So we can do 2 times each of them is 4 by 1, 4 by 1. And then again, you carefully type in the calculator, it should give you 31.6 meters square. Okay, got it? So bear in mind, surface area, do it piece by piece. You might confuse with the volume, but try to visualize the face that you can touch and you calculate it 1 by 1. Okay, that's all for the 3 questions.